In this Blender tutorial, we will try to model this kind of design, and here is the reference point for this design. I'm going to delete this design and we will start with new. To create this design, you need to add a rounded cube, and I will go with the 8 vertex form so you can get little bit dense mesh. Then go to the side view and scale it along the y-axis in this way. This much is fine, maybe. And then you need to select this if loops, and you need to use the loop tool circle option. You can select these faces and right click, use the loop tool circle option. Then select these edge loops and use the set flow on them. Then turn on the X-ray mode and delete the backside. Then select these edge loops and use the set flow on them. Then hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. And we are getting the basic form. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the minus y-axis so you can get the form to the backside also. Now I want to create the center strip design. Select these words, snap 3D cursor to them. Select this edge loop, change the transform point to 3D cursor and SZ and give the value 0. Like this. Then select this edge loop and this edge loop and use the set flow. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Then select these face loops and use the insert operation. Give the proper thickness. Use the insert operation one more time and press Alt S to scale them along the normal and use the insert operation. Then add center loop cut like this and you will get this kind of design. It is looking really well. Select this edge loop and use the set flow on it. Then I'm going to select these faces and use the insert operation. Use the insert operation one more time and scale them along the normal and little bit along the y-axis. Select these words and double tap G for the edge slide and just adjust the position of the words little bit. Select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. Then add 2 loop cuts here. Select the center edge loop, Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select this edge loop and press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Then Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then add loop cuts like this to maintain the form. Then select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry along the X, Y and Z axis. And there you go. In this way you will get this kind of design. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video. Take care.